Okay, let's the memory upgrade for Dell M1210 model from 2GB to 4GB. Firstly, remove battery not to give any power to the notebook during disassembly. Then, open the LCD display with the 180 degree. Now, remove the center control cover. Firstly, lift the edge of the center control cover with a small driver on a dent. Then, taking it up and completely remove it. There are 3 screws. Then, loosen them. Then lift up the keyboard. There's one memory slot. You can mount the extra memory into the memory slot. That's it.